Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers. So at first open your phone dialer, and here enter a secret code which is *pound or £6. And here you've got both IMEI and serial numbers. Tap on OK then. So that was the first method. Let me just rotate screen again. So you can see it clearly, and now to locate it with the second method we have to open the settings at first, then scroll all the way down and click on About Tablet. Here you will notice serial and IMEI numbers. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.